one cup.
What's cooking in the culinary arts class today?
We are making some carrot bread, but we're making them into some mini muffin pans so that they can be able to take them home. We're following a zucchini bread recipe. Went to the food bank Wednesday. They gave us lots and lots of carrots. So instead of using the zucchini, we're using the carrots so that we can take advantage of the food that they've given us. We're improvising basically because it calls for zucchini, but we're using carrots instead.
It's a busy Friday also because it's a football Friday.
It's a football Friday, so all home games, my practicum class makes spaghetti sauce for the football team to eat at 4 o'clock. So we're busy not only doing our regular lab, but we also are busy making the spaghetti for the football team on home games.